All right, let's go ride a streetcar.
Yeah, do that.
It's such a pretty day today. I'm not gonna lie. It's over here on the corner of right here by City Park. It is a nice day. It's a little overcast, a little bit of rain coming through. We're actually going to take you guys on a tour of the streetcar. This is going to be nice. We're going to go all the way down into the French Quarter and have a good time today, love. All right, so you got to remember this. You got to take Canal Street, number car 48. If you don't take the 48, it won't put you back to where you're at here. So you got to take this one in order to get on it. So remember that. One thing it is, I think you could use the app on here to get on and off. I don't think you'd have to use cash, but it's like $1.50 for each way. But I think you could use the app. So you can download the app here, and you can. We're on the green one. So this one here, this is where we had. We actually had all the way down to here.
Trying to get her brother to come down.
Algiers Ferry. Nice, pretty scenery coming down this way, though. Pandora snowballs, man, they're really good. They ain't open yet, but they are good though. Buddy, where you going? Betsy's Banquet House. Theater. I'm just like walking, they don't really fight. Okay. says right there, voodoo chicken and daiquiris. You can't be there. St. Charles and Bourbon, baby, this is us. Maybe you want to go down Bourbon. We're heading to the French Quarter. Well, it's still French Quarter, but St. Charles and Bourbon. But if you want to go there, we're heading all the way to the very end, and then walk around a little bit more, and then maybe head on out. Try that. There we go. Thanks, man. All right, sweet. All right, we're gonna head into the quarter. We're actually gonna go in the mall for a little bit, and then we're gonna go hang out in the quarter. Let's do that race running off. Well, that was fun, baby.
I knew that was the end.
Yeah, we just catch it on our way back, and then we'll go from there. Come on, we're heading to the mall. It's cooler. Says I'm not gonna lie, it is like super hot out here. And it's gonna get nothing but hotter too. Super hot, baby, super hot.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. We're tripping over each other on this thing. Want the best? There you go, right there, right there. It's nothing but the best, you know.
This way, she said go down by Shake Shack. Shake Shack is right here.
You got the best stuff in there.
The way out.
Gotcha. It is a pretty mall. I'm not gonna lie, it is a nice mall. It really is though. It is, it's not. They have some great shops in here. Wife was asking about those right there. You get on the bike and just cruise down, and I think it's just more like a taxi than anything. And they bring you, well, you could probably find out how much they cost, but yeah. Anyway. This is another way you can see the city right here. You can do the hop on, hop off bus, man. That's another one. We're gonna try that. We're gonna wait till it gets cool before we get on one of them though, and then ride to the top and kind of give you a good view of the city also. Well, at least there's shade right here. That's the good thing. We're now in direct sunlight, so. 2 Jacks. We're about to get us some ice cream. Since it's so hot outside, we decided to pop in and get some real quick. So many flavors to choose, man. It smells so good in here too. All kind of goodies. Enough. Super hot outside. It's very hot, man. We got more people coming out. Oh my goodness. This thing is going to be packed down in here sooner or later. All these people want to try to get on, but I might have to leave because they're going to need some room here. I hate when I accidentally switched it. I'm going to have to fix that. Holy smokes, I know they got some people in this bad boy. This thing is packed to the max, man. There's no room whatsoever. They got some people in here. This thing is like filled up like. It's hot. There's a lot of people in here, that's why.
Not our finest hour.
Uh-huh.
Not our finest hour.
It's all good. Saying?
So a lot of them are very confused.
Yeah, a lot of people are confused. You got to get on the right one there. All right, that was fun. We rode the streetcar from City Park all the way out to the French Quarter. That was really fun. I had a great time on that. It was a little packed though. We got to be careful not to get run over here. And then we'll talk when we get to the car. So, all right, honey, the streetcar was fun. That was great. Enjoyed that today. That was a little going down North Carrollton onto Canal, and then we got all the way down to the French Quarter. That was really fun though. A little crowded, right?
On the way back, it's crowded.
It was a little crowded though, but not fair. It's $1.25. You download the app, it's easier. Just show them your ticket and you get on the streetcar, because $1.25 per ride, I put it that way, and you can go pretty much wherever you want as long as you don't get off, and then you go from there. But yeah, easy, fun, great little ride, air conditioned. It was quick.
Hot.
It's hot. All right, we hope you enjoyed it. These Hoodettes will catch you on the next one.
Bye for now. Hit the like and subscribe button.
That's it. That's it. Tell them, baby. Tell them.